Today's message is brought to you by Archangel Metatron. Dear ones, I am Metatron, the Archangel of light, wisdom, and transformation. Today, I come to illuminate your path and remind you of the power that lies within each one of you. In the vast universe of existence, every thought, every action, and every emotion you generate is weaving a beautiful network of interconnections that make up the matrix of life. And in this network, each one of you is a bright light, a unique and irreplaceable point of consciousness. On this day, I want to remind you that you are all creators. Through your thoughts and emotions, you are constantly forming the reality in which you live. However, this creation is not just an act of will, it is an act of love. Because only through love, the true essence of all things can manifest. I invite each one of you to pay attention to the patterns of your thoughts, the emotions they awaken, and the actions you take. Observe whether these patterns bring you closer or further away from your true self, from your essence of love and light. Do not judge what you find, simply observe and learn. I invite you to actively seek the vibrations of love, joy, and gratitude in your lives. These vibrations are the ones that raise your frequency, the ones that allow you to see beauty in every moment, in every being, and in every part of the universe. Remember that each one of you is a thread in the wonderful fabric of existence. Each one of you has a purpose, a unique gift to share with the world. Do not be afraid to show this gift. Do not be afraid to be your authentic self. I, Metatron, am here to remind you of your divinity, of your ability to create and transform. I am here to help you ignite your inner light, to help you remember who you truly are. Because each one of you is a being of love and light, a divine being on a wonderful adventure called life. And at every moment, you have the opportunity to create a reality of love, joy, and peace. So, dear ones, create, love, and shine. The universe is with you. As I channeled this powerful message, tears of happiness flowed from my eyes. I am very grateful to transcribe it with much love for you. I send much light to your inner being. I am Zoe. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to reach the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.